What's up, y'all? It's your girl Kia, and I'm back at it again with another video. Now, we got us a 22-inch T-part blonde unit from Amanda Hair. And I did off-camera tone this hair with purple shampoo. So be sure, I've done a video on me using it before. If you need an updated video, I'll definitely do that for you. But just be aware that if you are using the purple shampoo, that it can actually dye your hair purple. So don't leave it sitting on there too much, because it can actually be splotchy. And originally mine was kind of splotchy, so I had to go in and wash it with the purple shampoo again, blah blah blah. But if you look very closely, you can still see some of the purple, but I thought it was a cute color. So my hair came out very toned. It almost is like a grayish color, but I think it looks so good on me. After I washed out the purple shampoo and I let it air dry, I'm just going to use my flat iron and flat iron out the roots and the ends of the hair. If you don't know what a T-part wig looks like on the inside, this is what it looks like. So we've got the little bit of lace that is down the middle of the part, and then you also have a little bit of lace on the hairline. It's not a full-blown lace front, but it's just enough for you to do what you need to do. So after I slid her on, I'm like, okay, color. I actually have been shying away from like vibrant colors like this as of recently, but this actually was very cute on me. So I'm going to install this wig the same as I did the other ones, and that is just what my got to be. Don't forget to add your baby hairs to your little hairstyle. That's what the T part is for. So if you did want to do baby hairs, you definitely could. So I'm just gonna add just a little bit of baby hairs to give it that extra little spice and make it look a little bit more natural. And I'm just gonna do this the same as if it was a lace front wig. If you look closely, the very front is like a very light pastel purple, and that wasn't even done intentionally. So if you did actually want to mimic and recreate this style, girl, just go get you some purple shampoo. It was really, you know, it's not that hard. After I got the baby hairs laid down in the front, I am all done. I didn't even really have to pluck it because it's not that much lace and it definitely could be finessed. So here's how it came out. It's very thick from root to tip. And if you wanted to try this out yourself, I'll leave everything on this wig in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.